we have this equation that said if 1 over n minus 1 over m equals 1 over 7, we are to find the true value of values for n and m. So the first thing we are going to do is to write our solution. We bring the question down. 1 over n minus 1 over m equals 1 over 7. Now, we have fraction here. We have fraction there, we have fraction there. When we have a linear equation like this with several fractions, the best thing to do is to reduce the level of fraction. All right, if we do that, there's no any other way we can do that than to find the common denominator for this m and n. All right, and the common denominator is n. Then you multiply through by the common denominator. So we have n m times 1 over n minus n m times 1 over m. What you do to the left hand side has to also be done to the right hand side. So we have n m multiplied by 1 over 7. So m here we cancel this, and then n here we cancel this. So we have m minus n equals nm over 7. Cross multiply, all right, and then collect all the terms together. So we cross multiply and collect all terms to one side. So if we do that, we're going to have nm then minus 7n plus 7n equals 0. Right? So if we get all the terms, this is what we have. I want to try as much as possible to make the expression at the left hand side factorizable. It should be able to factorize. So I can conveniently do something to this side and do the same thing to the right hand side. So what I choose to do is minus 7m, 7n. I subtract 49 because 49 has relationship with 7. All right, so that's going to give me 0 minus 49, or you can simply say equals 40 minus 49. So I do a pairing up of the first two terms, and then the third and the fourth terms of the left hand side of the equation respectively. So if I do that, what I'm going to have is m is common, so it will be n minus 7 plus 7 is common, last two terms of the left hand side. So I have n minus 7 is equal to minus 49. So if I do this, here we are going to look at the possible factors for minus 49. So if we have minus 49, all right, what are the factors? Okay, we have minus 1 and then 49 can go. Can call this one as case 1. And then we have 49 minus 1. And then we have minus 7 and 7. All of these are different possible cases for these equation. So what we're going to do is we take the first possible case. So what we're going to have is we have n minus 7, all right, into m plus 7 is going to be minus 1, then into 49. So what that means is that we will have n minus 7 is equal to minus 1, which simply means that our n is equal to 6. If you take minus 7 to the other side, it will be minus 1 plus 7. That's going to give us 6. So the next one that we're going to do is m plus 7 equals 49. simply means that our m is equal to, take this one to the other side, we are going to have it as 42. That's correct. So what we have appears like this. Okay, so if we want to check whether the values are true, we take the left hand side of the equation. So consider the left hand side of the equation. 1 over n minus 1 over m will simply means that we have 1 over 6 minus 1 over 42. All right, so if we solve this, I think the LCM, so 42 therefore is the LCM. 6 into 42, that's going to be, or you can check, we have 6, we have 42. All right, 6 we cancel, we have 42 take away. 42 here, then we have 6. That's going to give us 36 over 6 in bracket 42. All right, so 6 here is 1, 6 here is 6, 6 here is 1, and 6 here is 7. So what it means is that the result gives us 1 over 7, which is a satisfactory result for this compelling value of 1 over 7. Therefore, we conclude. So therefore, the true values for n equals 6 and m equals 42. So if you try cases 2 and 3, all right, they won't satisfy. All right, you can check. All right, you try and cross check. Try and check cases 1 and case 2. All right, so this therefore stands as your result. That stands as your result.